In this video, I'll show you how to edit a certificate using AI. Let's get started. First, open an AI tool like Canva or any AI image editor of your choice. Now, upload the certificate image you want to edit. Once the upload is complete, open the certificate inside the editor. Next, select the part of the certificate you want to change, such as the name, date, or title. Enter your new text, then adjust the font, size, and alignment to match the original design. You can also use AI features to remove unwanted text and replace it with updated content. After making your edits, review the certificate to ensure everything looks clean and professional. Once you're satisfied, click on Share, then select Download, and click Download again to save your file. And that's it. That's how you can easily edit a certificate using AI tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.